Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to find and replace text in Canva. So here I am in my Canva home dashboard, and then let's select a project that we want to edit. So I want to edit this presentation, just click on it, and then here we are in the Canva editor. And then for example, I want to find and replace this text right here that is also present in my other slides. And then one way to do it is that you can just click on it and then just replace it, and then you can do it one by one for each of your slides, but that will be a hassle since you need to do it in all of your slides. One way that we can do it more automatically is by using the find and replace feature in Canva. To use that, we just need to press on the control key on the keyboard and then on the F key at the same time. So when you press on it, there will be a window appearing right here at the right side for the find and replace feature. So for example, we want to find all of the delete text, and then as you can see, it has 6 results right here. Then you can go ahead and see all of the 6 results. So what you can do is that we can replace it. So if you don't put any text right here, it will just delete that text. And then you can do it all at the same time by clicking on replace all. And then as you can see, all of the text that contains the word delete is now gone. And then I will just undo the changes right here. If you want to replace it with a specific word, so for example, I'll put in here replace text. I can just click on replace if I want to choose a specific result only, since the result earlier is in the 4th result. As you can see, it is replaced right here. Let's change it again to the 1st result. Click on the replace button, and then as you can see, it will replace only this text result. But if you click on replace all, it will replace all of them at the same time. As you can see, all of the text is now replaced. And then that is it. That is how you use this find and replace feature in Canva. I hope you learn how to use it, and thank you for watching.